Hey guys, in this video I will guide you how to fix Microsoft Store app is not working or not opening in Windows 11. If you're not able to download something from the Microsoft Store, then you're in the right video. So just click on settings, then inside the settings you have to go into apps, click on installed apps. From the installed app here you have to find Microsoft Store. Just scroll down a little bit and you will find Microsoft Store. If you can't find it, search for it. Microsoft Store. I'm not able to find it, so I'm going to click on this system components. Now inside this I'm able to find Microsoft Store. So I'm going to click on this three dot, then I will go to advanced options. Now from the advanced options, first I will click on this terminate. So now once it is terminated, I will click on this repair button. So once the repairing is completed, you have to go into the Microsoft Store, check if that worked or not. If it is not working, then the last step is to click on the reset button. Just click on reset and click on reset again. I'm all done. I'll close the settings app. Then I'll go ahead and click on the Windows button and I'll open it up, the Microsoft Store app. So now this time I'm not going to face any problem and I will be able to use the Microsoft Store to download apps on my computer. So hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.